Hi guys, my name is Dr. Mike and I'm a board-certified medical doctor. They say that this stuff could add decades to your life. The only problem? This isn't alpha-ketoglutarate. It's horny goat wheat. Yes, the producer said that the real AKG was out of budget and apparently so is my dignity. But jokes aside, Alpha-Ketoglutarate or AKG has become the secret handshake of tech millionaires, biohackers and even the self-declared god of anti-aging himself, Brian Johnson. So, is AKG actually the closest thing we have to slowing down aging or just another expensive fairy tale? Let's find out. First things first, what is alpha-ketoglutarate? Think of your body like a massive city running 24/7. Lights on, machines humming, millions of processes happening at once. Inside the city, ATP is the electricity and the power plants making it, your mitochondria. Now, inside the mitochondria is an assembly line called the Krebs Cycle or TCA cycle. And this assembly line doesn't create ATP directly, instead it preps the high energy ingredients like NADH that your body uses to finish the job. Right at the center of this production line is alpha-ketoglutarate, AKG. Think of it like a critical machine on the factory floor. If AKG breaks down, the whole system jams up. Back in medical school, I had to memorize every step of the cycle. I thought I'd never seen it again or need it again, and yet here we are, talking about AKG and the secret of staying young. The bottom line is no AKG, less efficient energy production and a body that ages faster. Alright, so we get it, AKG matters, but here's the million-dollar question. If AKG is so important for cell health, can taking more of it actually slow down aging? Naturally, we didn't start by testing this in humans, we started with mice. Animal studies got everyone excited. In mice, supplementing with calcium AKG extended lifespan, lowered inflammation and improved overall health. Naturally, scientists and billionaires with the Peter Pan complex got very interested. And here's the catch. Just because mice live longer in a lab doesn't mean you're about to sprout your wings and reverse biological clocks. So what about humans? Here's where things get less sexy. Most human studies on AKG aren't even about calcium AKG. They used a cousin called ornithine AKG or OKG back in the 80s and 90s. They didn't even test it to make you live forever. They tested it in elderly or hospitalized patients for things like muscle preservation and wound healing. For example, a randomized controlled trial from 2009 looked at 160 elderly patients with heel pressure ulcers. This happens when you are, for example, bedridden, can move around and the pressure of your foot causes a chronic wound on your heel. They gave them about 2 teaspoons of OKG powder daily for 6 weeks. And the wounds, especially in smaller ones, about the size of a plum, they healed faster or significantly better than with placebo. Something like Wolverine might be taking. Another study on 54 burn patients showed faster grafting times and better nitrogen balance with OKG supplementation. This means they achieved faster recovery after the burn. But remember, OKG also includes ornithine, which boosts growth hormone levels by itself. That's why researchers eventually pivoted to calcium AKG, which is a cleaner way to study AKG alone without hormonal interference. A more recent small open-label study gave about 42 health-conscious participants daily calcium AKG for 7 months. The result? On DNA methylation clocks, they reversed their biological age by about 8 years. Sounds amazing, right? Almost suspiciously amazing. But there was no placebo group, no randomization. And the participants were already the kind of people who probably track their sleep with 6 devices and think broccoli is a treat. Meaning, it's very hard to say if AKG alone caused a reversal, or if it was just better diet, exercise, sleep and lifestyle stacking up. The bottom line is, it is promising, yes, conclusive, not even close. Right now there is a serious clinical trial underway, the ABLE study. It includes 120 healthy adults randomized into double-blind placebo-controlled groups, testing 1 gram of calcium AKG daily for 6 months. They're measuring biological aging, inflammation, metabolic health, muscle strength, cognitive function, and even gut microbiome changes. This is the gold standard study we've been waiting for, but results aren't out yet. So for now, AKG remains a promising candidate, not a proven anti-aging hack. Who might benefit? If you're older, battling muscle loss, recovering from injuries, or dealing with chronic inflammation, AKG might offer a real edge. But if you're young, healthy, and your biggest injury this year was burning your tongue on coffee, save your money for now. Is it safe? The good news is AKG seems pretty safe. No major side effects reported, even at higher doses. The worst case scenario is your wallet gets lighter and your pee gets a bit more expensive. So, should you jump on the AKG train? If you're curious, have disposable income, and you're already nailing the basics, diet, sleep, exercise, then experimenting with AKG won't hurt. But if you're hoping for some magical age reversion potion that lets you wake up looking 21 again, well, even Brian Johnson is still working on that. Until we see hard results from big controlled trials, AKG stays in my interesting but unproven box. See you next time. Bye bye.